Hey everybody, my name is Ivica. Thank you so much for being on my latest Unreal Engine tutorial. This time around I'm going to show you a simple, really easy, accessible feature of Unreal that every single beginner should start using and learn to use it from day one. It's a super simple thing, I don't want to beat around the bush. It's the search function, but I'm going to explain it in a bit more detail. Why is it important for all beginners, and also how should you use it from literally day one. I'm going to talk a bit about the psychological perspective of this, and then I'm going to show you the practical elements. Now, psychologically speaking, learning any new environment in terms of applications, platforms, software, setups, you name it, is all about how effective you are when you navigate through it. For example, if you watch a tutorial and you have to come in, come out, come in, come out from the app, go back to the YouTube clip, again come in, come out from the same environment to check out things, it slows you down. But at the same time, it also frustrates you. You make yourself spend time on things that are not actually this, which is learning the same app or software platform, but you actually spend time navigating, trying to figure out which is what and where things are located. That especially goes for things like scrolling, like looking around from different sets of possible things you might use in terms of materials or props or anything else. And there's an ingenious thing in Unreal that you should start using immediately. This is the search option. As you can see, practically any part of Unreal features a search bar. Use it all of the time. As you can see, the world outliner has search, actors have search, content has search, and individual elements inside of each folder of content have their search. When it comes to individual elements in the scenes, like for example your camera, it also has search elements. Precisely the same applies to literally anything you might come across in the same work environment of Unreal, including blueprints, graph editor, everything. And that's a brilliant thing. And here's why. It allows you to focus on the things you're actually looking for without wasting time on scrolls and trying to find your place among an incredible array of different features and options for each individual element, prop, or anything else you might be working with. So, for example, let's say I want to add a chair, a prop that is a chair, or better yet, a table, in this part of my scene, and I want to do it as fast as possible. I can use the breakdown menus, or the drop-down menus more precisely, to find my thing, the thing I'm looking for in the actual content, where I'm looking for props, materials, props, and then the same object. But instead I can simply go for props and open up the same folder. I can search props by searching table, and this is my material, and here's my prop, or more precisely my static mesh. I can simply add it to the scene, and here it is. Now I'm using a 2D environment and this is a fully 3D object, so it makes a little less sense than it should, but through the search option I can simply find and add it without losing so much time in actually looking for the names of things I'm after. I can search it here, and I can get other things that include the world table in them as well. But I can take it an even step further by selecting the table and, for example, wanting to scale it to a different size on a particular axis. Instead, again, of searching and scrolling through the same static mesh, I can simply go for scale. And as you can see, it not only does it search under the drop-down element of transformations, it allows you to immediately take the scale option directly. And here it is. I'm scaling the table where I want it without the need to do, again, this. Looking for things, not seeing them, looking if they're there, if not there. I mean, they're all there, but you're wasting time doing basically nothing, just finding your way in an environment where you can be using search. And that is something you should be doing from day one when you start using Unreal. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort, because it will take you directly to the things you're looking for, allow you to manipulate, add things, delete things, take out things, find things, without wasting time on actually reading all those titles, getting confused by all the labels, and simply, when you break it down, waste time on things that are not working in Unreal, but are trying to find your way around Unreal. So trust me on this, if you're a beginner like me, start using search everywhere and all of the time. Unreal is so cool to provide the same possibility, the same feature in practically any aspect of its functionality, and you should be using it regularly as well. So search, type, and enjoy the magic of Unreal. That's all for this tutorial. It's really simple. It's more a tips and tricks video. I'm again a beginner at Unreal, but I'm trying to share my experiences so far with everyone else who is in the same boat. If you enjoyed this video, if you think this advice is helpful, please share it with your friends who are also doing things in Unreal. Leave a like, leave a comment if you have any, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. A lot more beginner Unreal tutorials will be here to come, as well as gaming videos, my podcast about the gaming industry, and many more things I'm into. And a lot of stuff I hope is not completely uncool, and some of it might even be just a tiny little bit cool. That's all for this video. My name is Ivica. Thank you again so much for watching and sticking through till the very end, and I'll see you on my next Unreal tutorial. Until then, have a great day and bye bye.